In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Crew Motorfest Error 0_30 server connection issue. So first thing you want to try when you get this error is you want to go to Steam. And here you will go at the top left and then go to settings. And over here go to downloads and make sure that the download region is set to your region or your closest region. So set this to your region, then go down here and click clear cache. Next thing, you want to leave this and go here to CMD, run as administrator. So here you will write the following command. So type in ipconfig flush DNS and then press enter. Then write in net winsock reset. And after you write this down, you can close this down now. And then you want to go here to control panel. And here go to network and internet, network and sharing. Go to your internet and then go here to properties. Go down to internet protocol version 4 properties, use DNS. Type in 888.88.88.44. Then press OK. And this should fix your error.